Okay, so here's a question. I have a Sinclair Spectrum in pre-loved condition, and I'm wondering what I should be doing with this. Now, what I mean is, when it comes to retro equipment, should we be restoring these things back to their former glory, or do the chips and scratches and, in this case, cellophane tape actually tell a bit of a story about the history of the device, and should it be left well alone? Yesterday I finished up a restoration on an Amstrad CPC, and I ended up using some black wax to hide all the scratches on it, and made a new label for the faceplate that was all scuffed up as well. And I was thinking last night, do you know what? Should I be doing that, or should I be leaving it alone? Am I, by cleaning it up, destroying its history? I don't know. Anyway, I picked this up a few weeks ago. I haven't looked at it at all yet. I've not even opened it. I couldn't tell you if it works. And it's a bit bent and battered and chipped, and the faceplate is actually held together with sellotape. And I thought, oh, that's a mess. Do you know what I could do? I could get the board working. I can recap it. I can have it all working nicely. Then maybe a new faceplate, or better still, a whole new case, and it'll look pristine. And I thought, well, do you know what? At some point, somebody owned this, and they thought enough of it to actually sellotape the thing back together so they could carry on using it. That's how popular this must have been to somebody at some point. And if I do all that restoration work and get rid of all of this, am I destroying a bit of history there? I don't know. I don't know if there is a right or wrong answer to this. I think if it's your equipment, you do what you want with it. But I'm really keen to know what other people think. So I'm asking the question. So I will come back and I'll do something with this. And I don't know whether I'm going to do a full restoration or leave it as is. If anyone has any strong feelings on it, please let me know. I'm kind of curious to know where the community stands on things like this. I don't know. Because I can electrically restore the computer and it'll work just as well as a pristine example. So there's no reason why it can't continue to look scruffy and be fully functional. Goodness knows I've got enough of these that it really wouldn't matter anyway. If I wanted to use a pristine one, I've got a couple. And that's not me bragging, that's just me saying I'm a bit of a hoarder when it comes to things like this. Yeah. But I just think it's kind of got a unique look to it. And can you imagine if somebody had an iPhone? I mean, people change their phones these days more often than they change the socks, don't they? And I think you're not going to walk around, drop your phone and think, oh, do you know what? I'll keep it for a couple more years. I'll just sellotape it back together. No, people don't do that. They go out and they get it's the slightest excuse for a new phone in this throwaway society that we've got. But I don't know. I don't know whether I'm destroying a little bit of history if I do clean this up. So I don't know. Let me know, guys. Let me know what you think. Bye.